Coach Richard Krugel is a leading force in the world of trading, recognized for his sharp technical analysis and dynamic market strategies. With years of hands-on experience, he has not only mastered the art of trading, but also dedicated his career to educating and empowering traders at all levels.
My $1 million advice to you would be, hello everyone, I'm Coach Richard, and I'm truly excited to join the incredible team at Hola Prime. It's an honor to be here, and I can't wait to contribute, collaborate, and grow with all of you. At the Hola Prime Academy, we empower traders by sharing strategies that actually work and deliver results time and time again.
Coach Richard's expertise spans multiple asset classes, and his in-depth market insights have helped countless traders refine their strategies and achieve consistent profitability. Known for his clear and practical teaching style, Coach Richard transforms complex concepts into actionable knowledge that traders can apply in real-time markets.
You can also catch me doing live trading on Hola Prime TV.
As a sought-after instructor and mentor, Richard has left a lasting impact on the global trading community. Now at Hola Prime, he brings his wealth of experience to equip traders with the tools and confidence needed to navigate the financial markets with precision. When you learn from Coach Richard Krugel, you're gaining more than just market knowledge. You're accessing the mindset and strategies of a trader who knows what it takes to succeed. Welcome to Hola Prime, where expertise meets opportunity.
My $1 million advice to you would be that trading requires skill. Never stop learning. The market constantly evolves. Let's conquer the markets together.
Hola Prime, trade with transparency.